Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use the feedback tool. This is how you can leave audio and written feedback for your students. So without further ado, let's get started. Once you have logged into your account, click everything at the top and click Classroom from the left-hand side. From here, choose the class you'd like to view. Click on the lesson you'd like to leave feedback for, and click the blue View Student Results button on the right-hand side. When there is a blue box next to a student, that means there is work that you need to review. Click this student to continue. Just a quick note, there does not have to be a blue box next to a student. You're able to click any student to view their results. Once you have chosen a student, click the task you'd like to leave the feedback for. You'll see your student's answer and can give them a score by using the blue sliding tool, or you can click the stars to the right. You can leave them a written comment by typing in the box. And to leave them audio feedback, click the red record button and begin speaking to record your feedback. Great job! You can listen to the feedback by clicking the green play button. And if you'd like to delete it and try again, you can click the trash icon. Continue to leave feedback. And then once you're done, you can click the blue submit feedback button to send it to your students. Once your students log in, they'll be able to see their feedback at the top by clicking the feedback button. That's it for this video on how to use the feedback tool. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.